Latest news from Hedera Hbar. BCW Group just bought hashgraph.name and will be in charge of running it. The goal is to improve how custom domains work in the Hedera environment. As Hedera's capabilities grow, the acquisition will lead to new ecosystem relationships and a better value for the naming service. Hashgraph.name will get a new user interface and a new look to make it easier to find domain names. They will also offer deals on renewing .bar names, which will be followed by new prices. On September 9, 2023, the first renewals will happen. Hedera's news, third quarter, 2023. Integration into the FedNow app. In August, Drop, a micropayments platform built on Hedera, was added. Kia and Hyundai used Hedera's infrastructure to launch a CO2 emissions tracking system in early August. Andrew Aitken was named Chief Open Source Officer. He came from Microsoft and the White House, where he gained important experience. Shinhan Bank, SCB TechX in Thailand, and Taiwan's biggest financial institution all successfully tested a stablecoin remittance platform on Hedera's infrastructure. This could make Hedera a competitor in the payment network industry. What do you think the price of Hbar will be? Hedera Network is a blockchain that is meant to be a faster and more secure option to other blockchains. It is meant to be a more fair and effective system that gets rid of problems like slow performance and unpredictability that plagued older blockchain-based platforms. What makes Hbar and the Hedera network different? The hashgraph is used to make Hedera. Hashgraph was made to be fast. It can handle 10,000 transactions per second, which is a big jump from the 20 transactions per second that PW-based blockchain networks can handle at most. Hedera is not built on a normal blockchain. Instead, it is built on hashgraph, which is a version of distributed ledger technology that is more stable, secure, and long-lasting. Hedera is not a blockchain in the normal sense. Instead, it is like a graph made up of several blocks. The cost of using the Hedera hashgraph is low. The average fee for the first and second generation of blockchain networks is $1,654 and $522, which is a lot more than Hedera's fee of $0.0001. It is also a good use of energy. BTC uses more than 885 kilowatt-hours, while Hedera only uses 0.00017 kilowatt-hours. Also, Hbar transactions only take 3 to 5 seconds. While BTC and ETH transactions take 10 to 60 minutes and 10 to 20 seconds, respectively. On top of that, the Hedera platform and software, which run on millions of nodes around the world, are governed by a council of 19 multinational companies from around the world. On its mainnet, Hedera has now had more than 19 billion transactions. After hitting $35 million in total value locked and 18 billion transactions. This is another big step forward. Hbar coin is the native, energy-efficient cryptocurrency of the Hedera public network, which is run by 29 companies from all over the world. Hbar crypto is used to power decentralized apps and keep bad players off the network. Hbar coin is used to do things like smart contracts, file storage, and normal transactions on the Hedera network. Staking can be done with Hbar crypto to protect the security of the platform, which in turn helps to protect the network. On the Hedera network, transaction fees are paid for with Hbar tokens. Hbar users can take part in making decisions about how the Hedera network is run. People can put their Hbar tokens on the line and get prizes in return. Developers who build apps on the Hedera network can use Hbar tokens to add rewards and economic models to their apps. Hbar tokens can be used to get prizes, buy things in-app, or do other things that only work with tokens. Hbar coins can be used to raise money through crowdfunding and other methods. Microtransactions on the Hedera network can be made easier with Hbar coins. With its high throughput and low fees, Hbar makes it easy and cheap to make small payments. This makes it a good choice for monetizing content, pay-per-use services, and in-app sales, among other things. In the decentralized environment, they can be used for lending, borrowing, yield farming, providing liquidity, and other financial tasks. How important it is to stake Hbar. Users can participate in Hbar staking with wallets like Hashpack, Walla Wallet, or markets like OKX that have built-in staking. Here are the 2 steps for Hbar staking, which are briefly explained. The first step is to load the wallet on the system and put the Hbar coins in the account. The second step is to pick a validator and stake the tokens so that you can get benefits every time a new block is added to the blockchain. Our Hedera price forecast says that the price of Hbar will go up by $0.002539 over the next 7 days and hit $0.052333 on September 15, 2023. If you are looking for a Hedera market estimate, analysis, or price prediction, you probably want to know where the price of Hedera, Hbar, might go in the future. We try to guess how prices will move in the future by using different machine-based algorithms. The goal of this price forecast is to answer most of your questions. Will Hedera, Hbar, reach its all-time high, ATH, again? How much will Hedera be worth a month from now? Is it a good time to buy Hedera right now? Is Hedera giving signs that it will go up or down? In this Hedera price forecast, we will use Hbar technical indicators to make a guess about the price of Hedera. Predictions on the price of Hedera, Hbar. In the last 7 days, Hedera has shown negative signs, as the coin's value has gone down by 0.12%. Because of this, we expect Hbar to get back on its feet a little bit over the next week as buyers use this drop as a chance to buy it. Price history of Hedera, Hbar, and market analysis. Hedera costs $0.049794 right now, which puts it at number 30 on the list of all cryptocurrencies. Hedera has 33,207,534,181 coins in circulation at the moment, and its market value is $1,651,133,973. The price of Hedera has gone up by 0.87% in the last 24 hours. Hedera has had a hard time getting going in the last week, going down 0.12%. This week, Hbar is giving signs that it will go down. If you want to buy Hedera, now might be a good time to invest. In the last 30 days, the price of Hbar fell by 17.6%, or $0.010636. Before, it was worth $0.06043. With this current decline, Hedera is currently in a dip. In the past 90 days, the price of Hedera has gone up by 10.64%, adding $0.0